Welcome, everyone. Today we are going to explore one of the most important foundations of English grammar, the parts of speech. Understanding. The parts of speech is like understanding the basic building blocks of language. Without them, it is impossible to form correct sentences or express yourself clearly. So listen carefully and practice along with me as we break everything down step by step. Let us begin with nouns. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or idea. Examples include teacher, city, book, and happiness. Nouns can be common like boy or dog, or proper like Rohan or Delhi. They can also be countable like apple or uncountable like milk. Example, the boy is reading a book. Here, boy and book are nouns. Next is pronouns. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun so that we do not repeat the noun again and again. Examples include he, she, it, they, and we. Instead of saying Rena is a student, Rena likes music, we can say Rena is a student. She likes music. Here the word she is a pronoun replacing Rena. The third part of speech is verbs. A verb is an action word or a state of being. Examples run, eat, play, jump, or be verbs show what someone does or what happens. Example, she runs every morning. The word runs is a verb. Without verbs, we cannot form sentences. Now let us study adjectives. These are describing words that give us more information about a noun or pronoun. They tell us about size, color, shape, quality, or number. For example, red, beautiful, tall, 3, happy. In the sentence, she wore a red dress. The word red is an adjective that describes the noun dress. Next, we have adverbs. These are words that describe verbs, adjectives, or even other adverbs. They tell us how, when, where, or to what extent something happens. Example, slowly, quickly, always, very well. In the sentence, he runs quickly. The word quickly is an adverb because it tells us how he runs, moving ahead to prepositions. A preposition shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and the rest of the sentence. It usually tells us about place, time, direction, or cause. Examples include in, on, at, to, from, with, about, under. Example, the book is on the table. Here on is the preposition that connects book and table. Now comes conjunctions. A conjunction is a joining word. It connects words, phrases, or clauses. Examples are and, but, or, because, although. Example, she likes tea and coffee here, and is a conjunction joining tea and coffee. Conjunctions make sentences smoother and more connected. Another important part of speech is interjections. These are words used to express sudden strong emotions or feelings. Examples are wow, oh, alas, hooray. Hey, they are usually followed by an exclamation mark. Example, wow, that is amazing. Here, wow is an interjection. So to recap, the 8 basic parts of speech are nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. Each plays a unique role in making sentences meaningful. Let us now look at some combined examples to understand better. Consider the sentence. The clever boy quickly solved the puzzle. In this sentence, "thing" is an article and part of the noun phrase. Clever is an adjective. Boy is a noun. Quickly is an adverb. Solved is a verb, and puzzle is also a noun. You can see how all parts of speech work together to form a complete idea. Another example, I am happy because my friends are here. In this sentence, I is a pronoun, am is a verb, happy is an adjective, because is a conjunction, my is a pronoun, friends is a noun, are is a verb, and here is an adverb. When you practice identifying parts of speech in sentences, your understanding of grammar becomes stronger. Try taking a short passage from a book and underline the nouns, circle the verbs, and highlight the adjectives and adverbs. You will notice patterns, and soon your grammar will improve naturally. To conclude, remember that parts of speech are the backbone of English grammar. Every sentence you read, write, or speak uses them. If you master these categories, your communication will become much clearer and much more effective. So practice daily and do not just memorize. Instead, use them in your conversations and writing. That is the real key to mastery. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next lesson.